Welcome professionals. Ensuring that property owners' work requests are legitimate is essential to protecting your time and resources. Let's walk through the 7-layered verification process that guarantees each bid is real and worth your attention. Every property owner must verify their phone number via OTP and confirm their email before submitting a request. We also block temporary email domains to prevent fake leads. We analyze the IP address, device patterns, and detect VPNs or proxies to ensure the request comes from a legitimate source. We track typing speed, job request frequency, and zip code consistency to flag suspicious patterns before bids reach professionals. Cross-checking addresses with real estate APIs ensures that the request is tied to a valid residential property, not a competitor or fraudulent source. Invisible reCAPTCHA and behavioral tracking prevent bots from submitting fake requests. For high-value projects, we send a confirmation SMS or call to verify the property owner's request before professionals receive the bid. Each request earns a trust score based on bid acceptance rates, engagement levels, and complaint history, ensuring accountability and transparency. By leveraging these layered verification methods, you can bid with confidence, knowing each request is legitimate, verified, and worth your time. Secure your next project today.